Welcome to eVision, India's #1 leading HR and IT recruitment company. Join eVision, join job.
Hi, this is Umamahesh from Hyderabad. I have completed BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering. After BTech, I have joined for non-IT job for 4 years, and one of my friends suggested that join using TechnoSir. Here I have joined for online internship program. In 45 days of training, I have learned many technologies like CCNA, Windows administration, Linux administration, ITL, and many things. With support of mentors and placement team, now I selected for in ICICI Lombert. Thank you so much, Jason.
Thank you, Vision.
Join eVision, join job.